So I took out the glove box just so you can have a better view, but you don't necessarily need to. You can see the blower motor right here. You've got your electrical connector. Go ahead and push up on this tab and then draw the wire out of there. Hopefully. After that, just press on these tabs on this, and this should want to come out. There it is. This one, same thing. Pop it right out of the way. At this point, you're going to look for your mounting screws. There's one right here, there's one back there, and one over on the side, 7/32. Oh, all right, let's get this blower motor up in here. Start in any of the screws that you can, and then we'll bottom them out once we get them all started. Just make sure you snug them all up. Now we're going to plug in the blower motor. Put that right in there. Make sure you get your wire situated. Let's test it. Definitely sounds like it's working perfect.